My point is, we have to focus on the quality of work, not on the quantity of work. I think this debate is in the wrong direction. So it's not about 40 hours, it's not about 70 hours, it's not about 90 hours. What output are you doing even if it's 10 hours? My wife is wonderful, I love staring at her, I spend more time.
वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस को लेकर छिड़ी जंग में अब आनंद महिंद्रा भी कूद गए हैं। सप्ताह में 70 घंटे से लेकर 90 घंटे तक काम करने की पैरवी करने वाले बिजनेस लीडर्स को भी आनंद महिंद्रा ने अपने तरीके से जवाब दिया।
इस सवाल ये तो आना ही है आज, कोई ना कोई मुझे पूछेगा इस सवाल। So I'll tell you, I have huge respect for Mr. Narayan Murthy and others. So let me not get this wrong.
Of course.
But I have to say something. I think this debate is in the wrong direction. Because this debate is about the quantity of work. My point is, we have to focus on the quality of work, not on the quantity of work.
महिंद्रा ग्रुप के चेयरमैन आनंद महिंद्रा ने कहा कि विकसित भारत के लक्ष्य को प्राप्त करने की कुंजी काम की गुणवत्ता है, न कि काम की मात्रा। उन्होंने देश के टॉप कॉर्पोरेट लीडर्स द्वारा शुरू किए गए इस वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस पर चल रही बहस पर भी बात की।
So it's not about 40 hours, it's not about 70 hours, it's not about 90 hours. What output are you doing even if it's 10 hours? You can change the world in 10 hours. I have always believed that you have to have leaders and people in your company who make wise decisions, wise choices. So the question is, which kind of mind makes the right choices and right decisions? And I think a mind that is exposed to holistic thinking, that is open to inputs from around the world, that's why I'm such a votary of liberal arts. I think even if you're an engineer, even if you're an MBA, you must study art, you must study culture. The MC was very kind that we support art and culture. Why? Why am I making shareholders pay for that? Because I think you make better decisions when you have a whole brain. When you are informed about arts, culture, that's when you'll make a good decision.
विकसित भारत युवा नेता संवाद 2025 कार्यक्रम में बोलते हुए महिंद्रा ने खचाखच भरे सदन में कहा कि यह बहस गलत दिशा में जा रही है। बिजनेस लीडर्स ने चुटकी लेते हुए कहा, मैं नारायण मूर्ति और दूसरे कॉर्पोरेट लीडर्स का बहुत सम्मान करता हूँ। मेरा कहना है कि हमें काम की गुणवत्ता पर ध्यान केंद्रित करना चाहिए, न कि काम की मात्रा पर। इसलिए ये 70 या 90 घंटे काम करने के बारे में नहीं है।
If you're not spending time at home, if you're not spending time with friends, if you're not reading, if you don't have time to reflect, how will you bring the right inputs into making a decision? Let's take our business. You make a car. We have to decide what a customer wants in a car. If we are only in the office all the time, we are not with our families, we are not with other families, how are we going to understand what people want to buy? What kind of car do they want to sit in? So that is why I'm a big votary. I'm not going to say you need to work so many hours or that. I don't want it to be about quantity. Ask me what's the quality of my work. Don't ask me how many hours I work.
बता दें कि वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस पर विवाद तब शुरू हुआ जब L&T के चेयरमैन S.N. सुब्रमण्यम ने कर्मचारियों को रविवार सहित सप्ताह में 90 घंटे काम करने का सुझाव दिया था। लेकिन अब आनंद महिंद्रा ने इस पर अपनी जोरदार प्रतिक्रिया दी है।
Often asked this question, then I'm asked about, do you have a office that manages it? If anyone's read my tweets, if you think my office can write like that, then I've got a fabulous team who lives inside my head. You know, I don't know why people even ask that. So then you say, how much time do you have? And every time I'll get in my timeline, sab aap faltu ko nahi kar kaam karo, aap Twitter pe kyun hai? You know, this kind of thing keeps coming up. I want to tell people and I've been asked this, I'm on X on social media not because I'm lonely. My wife is wonderful, I love staring at her, I spend more time. So I'm not here to make friends. I'm here because people don't understand. It is an amazing business tool. How in one platform I get feedback from 11 million people.
ऐसी और वीडियोस के लिए बने रहिए हमारे साथ। मैं हूँ संस्कृति भट्ट और आप देख रहे हैं गली न्यूज।